napalitan na natin yung injector nitong Holden na Calais. So, ito yung luma. Nakabit na natin yung bago. So yan, engine is running now. There's no more misfiring. With a little really cold. This more check engine on the dash. Please follow my page, follow my Facebook account, and to see you there. Thanks very much for watching, and hope you learned this video.